Lesson 2. Causative verbs, help, let, make. Listen to 4 conversations using causative verbs. Conversation 1. 2 people talk at a campsite. Where did the woman learn to make tents?
Can you help me do this?
Sure. What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to put up this tent.
Oh, it's easy. Let me show you what to do.
Wow, that was so easy for you.
Yeah, I was in the army. We do this all the time.
Question 1. Where did the woman learn to make tents? The answer is in the army. Conversation 2. A woman talks to a man about her job. What did the woman help her boss write?
Why are you home so late?
My boss made me stay late today.
Why did she do that?
I had to help her write a letter in French.
Oh, that was nice of you.
Well, she made me do it. She's the boss.
Question 2. What did the woman help her boss write? The answer is a letter in French. Conversation 3. 2 people talk about a car. Where is the woman's car?
Did you get a new car?
No, my friend is letting me use his.
What happened to your car?
It is getting repairs.
Lucky you. This is a nice car.
Well, he made me promise I'd be careful with it.
Question 3. Where is the woman's car? The answer is getting repairs. Conversation 4. A woman talks about her mother. How many hours did she study every day?
Your mom is so nice.
Yeah, she is now. But she was really strict when I was younger.
Really? How so?
Well, for one, she never let me watch TV or eat sugar.
Wow, that is strict.
And she made me study at least 4 hours a day, even if I did not have homework.
Wow, that sounds like tough love.
Question 4. How many hours did she study every day? The answer is at least 4 hours.
Thank you for watching. Get thousands of free English lessons at English Listening Lesson Library online. Visit ello.org or click the link below. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you in the next one.